How's it going, everybody? Today is Tuesday, and had an amazing trading day today. We saw the market finally start to come back up. If we look at SPY, we see a pretty big jump up from around 630 up to 639 and ending off at 650. So that's a pretty big jump for SPY. 3% on SPY, almost a little bit more than 3% on QQQ. And first thing I want to talk about is the two trades that I've been in and I've been talking about a good amount recently. And the first one is Firefly Aerospace. And so this company just did 20% today, and I believe it's not going to be stopping anytime soon. Let's take a bigger look at this. And so this company is an aerospace engineering company, and we've just seen it take out high since kind of like the last month. We saw there was 11% drop on Friday of last week, and that's when I first started getting into it. And today we've just come all the way back up, and I'm still aiming for this more than $35 highs. I believe that we have a very high chance of this market being able to come back and retake all of this. This is also a great company in general. And so, yeah, so that's where we're sitting at right now. We did, I have this company specifically in my, one company that's in my like Roth investments. And so this is definitely a very good trade. And if you guys are still looking at getting into it, I'm not totally against it. I think you want to like look for it to maybe come down back a little bit, but it had an amazing day today. And the other one was CoreWeave. We saw it basically bounce up from around $69 all the way up to 77, and we are just crushing it still. Uh, so this is obviously another really good trade, and this also another company that I also called out, and I'm still looking for that to keep going a little higher. And I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I took on QQQ today. Uh, and so let's get this all up. And so we are at the 5-minute charts. And so for those also wondering, I trade on the 2-minute charts when market first opens, then I switch over to the 5-minute charts. And so the trade that I took today was actually this bounce up towards this view up. And so it's basically this bounce off this 5-minute order block from Asia holy session. And so this was it. I entered right here and I got out right as we hit this view up and with my stop right below this candle. So basically a 1.25 RR risk to reward trade. And I could have definitely taken it to this order block, but it was respecting the view up a good amount on this candle and also just like over here. And so I didn't really want to risk it and just take a bunch of trades I knew were not going to really exactly hit. And so as a quick little trade, I did around, I believe, 20%. I actually don't remember exact numbers, but good trade. On top of that, we have all this coming out. And so tomorrow we have a good amount of stuff happening. And so what I would recommend is staying cautious. If you're new to trading, new to investing, I'd say stay away from the market as much as you can. And if you still want to get into it, I would recommend going right here, pressing trade, pressing paper trade. Wake up when the market opens. You can say sell. It's obviously going to get rejected right now. You can sell, so you can say sell or buy. It's the best opportunity you guys can get with just trading live, and it's also very accurate. It's very helpful. I think a lot of people skip straight to funded accounts or just straight into live accounts. I don't think that's the smartest way of doing it. Um, there is for sure a good amount of things that do come out of both sides. For example, with live accounts, you are actually being able to see how your money's moving and how your money's gonna keep sitting as well. With paper accounts, you're taking out the whole emotional aspect because you're not really seeing your money just disappear. So I would recommend if you guys are starting out, first couple months, just stay on a paper account, stack bread, and then head over to a live account with a little bit of money. That's what I did, and I'm not gonna add any more money until I hit do 100%. And right now we're sitting at around, I believe, 40%, which is good, which is really good. And so I'm gonna keep playing like that, and then yeah. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. I'm gonna be making a Discord server soon where I'm gonna start talking about my trades, and it's all gonna be completely free. I don't do the whole paid BS, especially not yet. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment, and I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day.